Check it out, guys. We are out in my brand new shop. This place is an absolute mess. It's still littered with stuff from the previous owners. Not to mention half the stuff in here, I don't even know if it works. I just tried to fire up this wood stove over here and it didn't work, so I don't know if I actually have to put a fire in there first. But I know for sure these lights up here, these white ones, these don't work. So those gotta be replaced. There's just so much to do, you guys. Eventually, my plan is to have this entire shop with like every wall in here lined with my magnet fishing finds. But it's gonna take a while. All right, here we go. This is how I break my neck. Somehow we gotta change these light bulbs, and I'm gonna guess I'm probably gonna have to get a ladder. Well, I'm gonna go get a ladder. Boom, baby. Have no fear. The ladder is here. Now we can change some light bulbs. This ladder does not feel very sturdy. Oh, I don't even think you can replace these ones. I think you have to like buy a whole new one. There we go, that's one down. I thought I was just gonna be able to pull the light bulb out and put a new one in. So I don't know if I have to probably buy a whole new light. Either way, we need some lights in here. Well, those are junk. Boom, number 2. Alright guys, check it out. We got 2 old lights here. These things were not working at all. I am just gonna toss these ones in the garbage and we're just gonna get some whole brand new ones. Alright guys, I know it's pretty hard to see, it's dark in here, but it's been a couple days since we took down the lights. Now I got me some new ones. We're gonna go ahead, throw the new ones up in the dark here so that when we fire them up, we'll be able to see the difference right away. Another thing too, hopefully you guys can hear me better because I actually bought myself a little microphone. So now it doesn't matter where I go or where I walk, you should still be able to hear my voice all the same. Oh, look at that, they even come with little chains in there, perfect. Boom! Check it out, you guys. Nice little bar light. Like I said, I know it's dark. I don't know how well you can even see these. All right, first things first here, we gotta throw one of these lights up here. I don't really like this ladder, man. This thing is so raggedy. I'm gonna tip right over. Here we go, here's the true test. I don't even know if this is gonna work. We got nothing. That could be a problem. Let me check the breaker. I actually think I might have the breaker off. Let me see. Does that fix the problem? Come on. Yes, dude. Yes, that is what I am talking about, baby. We got lights. Yeah, that is so much better. Heck yeah, you guys. Once we get these up, then I'll actually be able to work in here and be able to see. All right, there's one hook. Get out of my way, Mr. Chair. Boom. Just like so, you guys, we have one light officially set up. Wow, just one light is all you need, and you already have enough light in this entire room to be able to see and do stuff. Let me know down in the comments real quick, what do you guys think of this microphone? How's it working so far? All right, guys, light number 2, what do she do? All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Boom, holy cow. It's gonna be so bright in here, you guys. We still got 2 more. Bam! Just like that, you guys, we officially have 2 brand new shop lights up in the shop here. Now take a look at this place. Just those 2 lights alone, we can already see everything. And it's starting to get dark outside already, so you can really tell just how big of a difference it makes in here. And if you look at the ceiling, it's all insulated, but it's got like that chrome colored finish. And it really is bouncing a lot of light off of there, so I'm sure it makes it even brighter in here than it would if it was like a black ceiling or something. Now we're talking, you guys. It's still a little darker over on that side, but we're gonna throw 2 more lights up over there, and this whole room should be lit right up. All right, you guys, now it looks like they have this fan plugged in here, and I'm assuming it just helps the heat spread around with the furnace. But honestly, I don't really much care about that. I would rather have lights plugged in, and I only see 2 plugs up here. So we're gonna unplug the fan, and we're gonna plug in some lights. First things first, we gotta unplug this fan so we don't get our head chopped off trying to set these lights up, because knowing me, that's exactly what will happen. Boom, sucker! We got 2 more lights. They got all this little hardware that comes with these lights, and you definitely would need this if you were putting them up fresh, but the fact that we already had lights up, there's already hooks and everything, so all we need is the little chains out of here. All right, guys, light number 3 going up here. Light number 1 for this side. Boom! There's gonna be so much light in here, holy cow! I'm actually impressed with these lights, I'm not gonna lie to you. I thought for sure I was probably gonna end up having to buy more. The only thing I wonder is it's kind of close to this, this pipe here. I wonder how hot does that get? Is that gonna melt my lights? Boom, baby! Light number 3. Now we can see. All right, guys, the last light is going up here. Here we go. The last one. I'm gonna plug this sucker in. We're gonna fire it up. Oh, yes. Now we're talking, baby. Wow, you guys, it's so bright in here. Holy cow. Bam! Just like that, you guys, we have 4 brand new shop lights put up. It went from literally not being able to see anything in here to now we can see everything. Now we can start getting some real work done in this shop. This is gonna be the spot, you guys. I'm telling you, we're gonna have all these walls covered with some of my coolest finds. This place should look super cool. Now, instead of trying to decide what you guys want to see, and instead of trying to nitpick what I film, I think I'm just gonna film pretty much everything I do in this entire workshop. And I mean everything, you guys. I have to clean out all these drawers and stuff. They still have stuff in them from the previous owners. Like I was saying, I gotta go through all of this stuff. I think I'm just gonna record everything I do and I'll just post everything. We got lights so we can see. We got heat so we can stay out here and work during the winter. We got the refrigerator. Now we just need a TV and this place will be jumping. Major difference in here with these lights, you guys. Take a peek outside once. It's pretty dark out here. If we shut these lights off, boom. I mean, you can really see it's pitch black. We turn the lights back on. Wow, just absolutely amazing. All right, guys, pretty quick, short, and simple. We took down the old lights and we threw up some new ones. If you guys would like to see me do some more shop videos, make sure to hit that thumbs up button for me. And don't forget to subscribe. See ya.